My name is Gary. I am from Israel.
My name is Dongjae, and I am from South Korea.
So my name is Dasha. I'm Dasha from Russia.
I am Benicio. I am from São Paulo, Brazil.
My name is Salma. I am from Mexico.
My name is Valeria. I am 26 years old and I came from Naples in Italy.
I'm the co-founder and CEO of Amigo, where we help people around the world speak English more confidently.
I am Elvina. I live in Russia. I am from Russia.
My name is Alexey. I'm from Rostov-on-Don.
Hi everyone, non-native English speaker here, and I'm gonna to invite you to visit my channel and give me interview about your culture, about your country, and about your experience of learning English. Many people from all around the world want to hear your personal experience of learning English. They need your voice.
So I started to learn English more seriously when I decided to apply to study abroad.
It's just interesting to learn English for me. It didn't work that much with German.
All the contact is in English, so I must speak English.
Please be free to text me from my email, from the comment below or Instagram. I'm waiting for you.